Hello, welcome back to another episode of Cookbook Journey. 今天我们煮牛腩面。
First off, we're gonna prepare the marination. Blend the ginger, toasted sesame seeds, salted bean paste, onion, and garlic into a smooth paste. Next, dice your Australian Wagyu point-end beef brisket into large cubes. Now, mix the brisket with our freshly prepared paste, 3 tablespoons of dark soy, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a dash of brown white pepper, and 3 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine. Cover it up and let it rest in the fridge overnight. This step is really crucial for deep and rich flavors. Now, heat up your pan until it's smoking hot. Sear the marinated brisket, making sure you get a nice char on all sides. Once seared, toss in the cinnamon stick to enhance the aroma. Pour in 1 kilogram of beef broth and then add enough water to cover the brisket. For extra flavor, add some spring onion stems. Let this simmer, stirring occasionally until the beef is tender. This process will take about 5 to 6 hours, but remember, good things take time. Boil a pot of water, add the noodles and cook until done. Now, it's time to assemble our dish. Gather the braised brisket, fresh shabu beef, spring onions, and your favorite garnishes like sliced red chilies, chili crunch, and coriander. If your shabu beef is super fresh, place it raw in the bowl and then pour the boiling hot broth over it to cook it instantly. Finally, it's time to enjoy your bowl of noodles. And don't forget to slurp your mian hard.